healthy or not? Let's take a look. Hey there friends. Come gather round. Let's learn what foods are safe and sound. Some are great for brain and play. And some, well, not so much hooray. Broccoli's green and full of might. It helps you grow and sleep at night. But pizza's cheesy, greasy too. Too much of it. It's bad for you. An apple a day is sweet and neat. A fruity snack that can't be beat. But candy's full of sticky goo. Too much sugar's not good for you. Brown rice wins the healthy race. It keeps you full with steady pace. White bread's quick, but oh so plain. No fiber there, not much to gain. Nuts and seeds are small, but strong. They help you learn and play all day long. But chips are salty, fried, and thin. One bag's too much, where to begin? Milk and yogurt help your bones. They make you jump and grow like stones. But soda fizzes, full of pop. It gives a rush, then makes you flop. So pick the foods that help you shine. With veggies, fruits, and grains so fine. A healthy plate is smart and cool. It gives you strength for home and school. That's our rhyme, now you know what foods to choose to help you grow. Till next time, keep your brain unlocked with your friends at Giggly Brainbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.